Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to solve this partial fraction, which is of type 1 of partial fraction. So what was our type 1? In this case, in numerator, we have px plus q, which is 1 degree polynomial, and in denominator, we have x minus a into x minus b. So for this kind of partial fraction, we'll write as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. So we have to find out the values of a and b. So let's start this problem. So here the given question is x divided by x square plus x minus 2. So you can see that in the denominator this is a quadratic equation. So we have to first factorize it. So what will be the factors? X square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equals x divided by x into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to x divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So right now this one is our main question. So now we will write this in this form. Okay, so let's write. So here we have x divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So we can write it as a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. You can write the x plus 2 below a and x minus 1 below b. So you can write the denominators as your wish. Okay, so just simply cross multiply this a into x plus 2, a into this one and b into this one, plus b into x minus 1, and in LHS we will just write the numerator. Okay, so this one is our first equation and this is our equation number 2. So here you can see that here we have x plus 2. So if we write it as x plus 2 equals to 0 or x equals minus 2, so you can see that if we put x equals to minus 2 in equation number 2, this whole term will get 0 and we will get the value of b only. Okay, so put x equals to minus 2, put x equals to minus 2 in equation 2. So what will you get? In place of x equals, we will write minus 2 equals a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 minus 1, or minus 2 equals to this whole thing will be 0 plus b into minus 3. So we get b equals to 2 by 3. Okay, for the next case we have here x minus 1. X minus 1 equals to 0 or x equals to 1. So you can see if we put x equals to 1, this whole thing will get 0 and we will get the value of a. Ultimately our main aim is to get the values of a and b. That's why we are doing these things. Okay, so we will put x equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So we will get 1 equals a into 1 plus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1. Okay, or 1 equals to 3a plus 0. So we get a equals to 1 by 3. So what was our equation number 1? So this one is our equation number 1. Okay, this thing was our equation number 1. We will simply put the value of a and b in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is x divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 simply put the values of a and b. So the value of a is 1 by 3, and in denominator it should be x minus 1 plus value of b is 2 by 3, and in denominator we have x plus 2. Okay, so this one is our desired answer. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us.